generally the people, the belief is that desert has no life. So my main area is Jorbeer Conservation Reserve, which I am working from last 22 years in that area. This Jorbeer is famous because of the plenty of rare birds which we are getting here. We use, instead of the bottled water, we prefer to have the recycled water. Even for the desert, when we come for the camping, we use all the local vegetables for making the food. Thar Desert, it's my home, sir. If I say I can imagine my life without Thar, I can't imagine my life. So whenever I take my guest in the desert, I really want that they can take with them the beauty of our desert.